Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're out with Miss Ruby Red and we're gonna change out the Ford decals here, the Ford album. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put vinyl on it. We're gonna change it to a black base instead of blue. Then I might do the F-150 ones as well, and we'll show you what we have cooking in the back. So I've had my mountain biking Fox factory bike pad on the back of Miss Ruby for almost 10 months now. This is almost like the first time I'm seeing the tailgate like that, and it's so beautiful. But as you can see, we have the F-150. You can hardly see it, but we are gonna fill it in black with vinyl, as well as the logo there, and we're probably gonna get rid of the Ford sticker on the bottom. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So, and what we have here is my plotter. We have some black vinyl. We have white vinyl in case you wanted to do some lettering in white or any color. You can get anything. We have some transfer tape, which I'm going to use to attach to the vinyl. We have some Kirkland signature non-chemical wipes that I'll be using on the tailgate, as well as some alcohol swabs. And if you, ladies and gentlemen, we printed out the F here, and I just put some transfer tape on it. The F-150 is washed and cleaned. We're just gonna wipe it down with some non-chemical Kirkland signature wipes, followed by alcohol swabs. Wipe it down for a couple of seconds there, and then we're gonna put the F on and see what it looks like. Let's get right to it. She's looking pretty good. That looks fantastic. All right, let's get the number 1 on there. Ladies and gentlemen, we got her all done. And it looks amazing. What a difference it does. We'll get some better light momentarily.